Hi, everybody. My name is Frances Gonzalez. I am a mother to 4 children. I have 3 girls and 1 boy, ages 10, 8, 5, and 2.5. Um, I graduated 3 years ago and I received my AA in early childhood education. I currently work as a preschool teacher. I was a stay-at-home mom for 8 years, so the whole teaching field is new to me. I have been in the teaching field for about 5 months now, and I love it. I mean, it's what I've been wanting to do. I'm currently enrolled at Bradman University online. This is my first year back in school after 3 years. I am studying to get my bachelor's in early childhood education. I plan on getting my master's and my teaching credentials. My goal is in the future to go ahead and teach TK or Kinder. Now, regarding the readings and the competencies, I went ahead and chose 3. The first one that I chose was family and community engagement. Two of the key concepts were communicate with families. The next one was providing information about community resources and ensuring that support is available beyond the early education experience are important components of supporting families, relationships, interactions, and guidance. The next competency is relationship interactions and guidance. Positive interactions and guidance help children build competence in solving problems. Socialization and guidance are ongoing processes, and they include a variety of strategies to help children learn appropriate behaviors and problem-solving techniques. The last one I chose was professionalism. Children benefit from high-quality experiences and environments in the context of secure relationship with capable, educated professionals. And professionals are knowledgeable, operate with integrity, and follow ethical standards. Out of those 3, the one that I had chose is family community engagement. I believe that it's super important as an educator to go ahead and have communication not only with the children, but also with the family, to go ahead and get the family engaged into the child's academic learning. One of the things that we do to encourage that at our center is every month a newsletter is given out to the families. It is given our theme, our shape, and the alphabets that we are doing for that month. And the families are encouraged to go ahead and do a project with their child and bring it back to the center. And we'll go ahead and have it outside of our classroom for that whole month until the new month changes. So that's one of the great things that I do like about my center, that they do that family child engaging interaction. So yeah, thank you.